So what you're going to do is take the Ziploc bag and fill it with about 1 to 2 cups of vinegar. Then you're going to place that bag over your shower head, making sure that most of the shower head and all of the holes that it sprays out of are submerged in the vinegar. Next, you're going to use the hair tie or rubber band to secure the plastic bag onto your shower head. Now here's where the magic works. You are going to let your shower head sit in this vinegar for at least an hour and then up to overnight. After the shower head is soaked, then you are going to remove the hair tie and the Ziploc bag. If you have any leftover debris or anything still on your shower head, this is where you can grab your toothbrush and give it a quick little scrub or a wipe down with a paper towel, and then run hot water through the shower head for a few seconds to rinse everything out.